Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Now I'm just going to replace the cabin filter and the air filter on this hot rod.
Okay, let's knock it out.
Let's do it.
Alright, so now that's open. What's next?
Next, go like this.
Yeah, you take that off.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's been due for a little while. You got the new one?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Check it out.
Stop, come on, wait.
You got two patiently waiting kitty cats over there.
Why are they watching us? And don't forget, these are washable. So let's say it gets dirty again, you just wash it back out. You don't have to throw it out.
That's good. That's it. Just wash them out. Good stuff. Only the best, baby.
Now we can put it back in. Make sure it clicks into place. Bada boom, bada bang. Lift this back up. What? Ah! I'm gonna cry.
Why does it have to be hot today?
Why does my life have to be a Honda? Shut that off for a second.
Where's the oil?
Don't know.
Everything's here. Why is it so hot today?
I don't know. I didn't make planet Earth to be hot.
Are you done yet?
No.
Come on, I need help. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Why do you always look at the other cat? Kitty, kitty. I didn't have any coffee today.
Why
I was
not?
going to go look at a car, right?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Thumbelina. Oh, I was going to go look at a car today.
Yeah?
A Volkswagen Type 3, they call them. I was going to go buy one. You know how it is. You make a phone call. Nobody answers the phone. You ask them a question. I'm not allowed to ask more than 1 to 2 questions. After that, they turn off, whoever's selling the car. I got a plan, you know, and I can't help it. You've got it all together?
Yes. Give me all the CDs and paper.
Then why do you complain? Why do you complain? Why do you complain? You know what's more annoying than that? In the mouth. I hate that. Let me do it until you flip out.
Oh, no.
Come here.
No.
No. What is that? Is that from Cannonball Run? That they slapped a guy in the face and he asks him a question? God's gonna come with us. Pretend he's Sammy Davis Jr. It's got 2 seats. Where's he gonna sit? Where's he gonna sit? Where's he gonna sit? Remember that?
I don't know.
Where's he gonna sit? Damn.
Okay, back to work. Yo, give me
That's
the
what happens
CDs.
when you don't pay the bill. The great cat didn't want to pay the bill. What are you changing now?
I'm gonna change the air filter now.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this?
What? There's a name for it, I think. Yo, you know what I saw yesterday?
What'd you see?
I'm on a computer, right, looking for cars for sale. And I said, let me look for an MG VGT. One comes up. It was forest green, right? It had a rod hole in the rocker on both sides. It needed some work, you know. It had rod holes on it. What is $13,500 for this car? Either he was strike dumb at birth by a thunderclap or something. Something's wrong.
Might be one of those deals.
That's what I think. I don't know. That's not right.
Why don't you tell everybody watching that you're looking for a whole bunch of cars? Show me what you got. You never know. Maybe we'll buy it.
Yes.
We have a huge history of foreign cars that are antiques, American car, muscle cars, everything.
Well, anything really pre-89, because I'm a...
89?
Yes,
Oh,
I love
no,
80,
you don't.
80s cars.
72 and before. You're not messing with that catalytic converter, EGR.
That's the best part.
Beep, put a bang, you know,
That's the
third
best part.
brake light. Forget it.
Daddy! Yeah! Come here.
Wow, yep, time to change it. It's disgusting.
Yes, it needs to be changed. Stay fast!
You done yet?
Oh, you forgot to pick that up. Hey, can I have a razor?
it's like half the size as the other one. Where's the old one? Where's the old one?
Oh yeah, wow, that's a lot thinner.
See, this is good. Now the car can breathe better, you know?
Bet you $50.
Now the car can breathe better.
What'd it do? What'd it do?
The car can breathe better.
What'd it do? What'd it do?
Shut up! You're doing it again!
Yo, I bet you $50 the knock is gone now because we changed the filter.
Yeah, I guarantee that.
Wish upon a star, you know? You look up, you're like, star, help me!
That's
help
the wrong
me!
size, by the way. I don't know what you're twirling. All right, you got it all together?
Oh, no.
Oh, what are you doing? What's this thing? It ain't gonna start. This car is gonna breathe so much better.
No! What's it gonna do?
It's gonna breathe
What is it gonna do?
so much better. It's gonna go.
What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? You can't
Always
get me
messing
with
around,
those sneakers. Those things are like a rubber band. What's it gonna do?
It's gonna breathe.
What?
All right, so you're done. You got. So what did you do? Tell everybody in the United States.
So, we did the air filter.
Yep.
We did the cabin filter. We cleaned the battery terminal.
Good.
Now we can only start it and see how big of a cam it has.
How it breathes.
What's it gonna do? No, for me, you're not doing it good. Look, you gotta put your feet like this.
I can't bend like
Yeah,
this.
just you gotta go like this with your knees. Look, yo. Oh, look like this.
I'm doing it.
No, with your knees. Look, your knees. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? That's what. God, what is it?
That's enough. Forget it. That's enough.
And that's how you do it.
Taking over the world.